In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails in HubSpot. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you're able to enhance your emails with the relevant files or documents you need. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. This is the foundation of everything you'll be doing today, so double-check your login details to avoid any hiccups. Once you're in, the next step is to navigate to the trial guide. Now, the trial guide is an excellent resource in HubSpot. It houses all the resources you'll need to kick off your form building process. So, whenever you have some spare time, it's worth exploring what the trial guide offers. With that said, let's focus on adding attachments to emails. Head over to your homepage. Here, your first action is to click on CRM. This will bring up several options, so go ahead and select Contacts. Once you're in the Contacts section, you'll see a list of your specific contacts. What you'll need to do is click on the contact to whom you'd like to send an email. It's crucial to choose the correct contact to ensure your message reaches the right person. Now, let's move over to the part where we actually send the email. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the option to click on Email. This is where you can start composing your message. Take a moment to draft your email content, making sure it conveys exactly what you intend to communicate to your contact. Once your email is composed, it's time to add an attachment. Look for the icon that allows you to add attachments. Clicking on this icon will open up options for attaching files. One of these options is Choose Existing. This is where you can select files that are already available to you within HubSpot. Choose this option to start adding your files. Adding attachments can be incredibly useful, whether you're sharing documents, images, reports, or any other type of file that supports the contents of your email. This feature can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your communication by providing additional context or necessary information to your recipients. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add attachments to emails in HubSpot. By following these simple steps, you ensure that your emails are as informative and complete as possible. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to revisit the trial guide for more resources. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now more confident in streamlining your email communications. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the capabilities of HubSpot to maximize your productivity.